Hi guys, welcome to this week's tutorial, which is about this beginner baby blanket. But if you want to, you can also do it bigger. You just have to make more stitches. The chain stitch just has to be longer. So this week's tutorial is different from the other ones because actually I don't have a tutorial for you how you can do this. But this week's tutorial is a collab with Carolyn, which she is a YouTuber as well. She has a YouTube channel, a crochet YouTube channel, and she is very good at crocheting. So we thought to have a collaboration video together. So the idea is that I did one of her projects and she did one of my projects, and then we give our opinions and review about each other's tutorial. So if you like this blanket and if you are a beginner and if you want to do this blanket, you can just check her channel. I will link her channel here also in the description box, and also you can find her on my page, and then you can check the tutorial. There is a beginner blanket. I will also a link here in the information box up here, the tutorial of her doing this blanket. So yeah, if you are here because you are checking my channel because of Carolyn and you want to do the bag that she did, then feel free to check around my channel. And I hope you like the content of my channel and you are considering to be a subscriber. Just give a thumbs up to this video, share with your friends, follow me in social media, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. So with all these things being said, let's just get into it. So my opinion, my review about doing this baby blanket. Yeah, so I have never done a baby blanket myself, so I was very curious to have this beginner baby blanket in my channel. Yeah, so I followed her tutorial and it was very easy to follow because you just have to do a chain stitch, just follow her instructions, and a double crochet. At the end here at the edge you have to do half double crochet. The only difference is that Carolyn in her tutorial has 4 rows with the main color and 2 rows with the other color, but the difference with me is that I did 6 rows with the main color and 2 rows with the other color, because what I had in mind was that the main color was actually taking over the other colors. So yeah, this was what I had in mind. If I would have done just 4 rows with the main color, I don't know, I had the feeling it would look a little bit different. So that's why it's a little bit longer, my baby blanket. Also, Carolyn has not put pom-poms, but I did, because that was the idea of that I had in mind. So I hope you like it. Maybe you are a simple person and you just want to do a simple one. If not, you can also put pom-poms or a fringe, or you can also put tassels here. They are very in fashion now. So yeah, following her tutorial, it was very easy, and this baby blanket, I just did it in no time. It builds up very fast, and I used Catania. I will link in the description box the materials that I have used, and yeah, it's polyacryl and it's very warm for babies. Yeah, so I hope you are considering to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I hope you are not bothered from this week's tutorial, because it's not exactly a tutorial from me, but it's a tutorial from Carolyn. Also, if you are here to do the bag, I will link the bag that Carolyn did. I will link it here on the information box, so you can just click there and then see that tutorial and follow that tutorial. Yeah, so with all these things being said, thank you so much for following me and supporting me, and I hope you are considering, if you are a beginner, I hope you are considering to do this baby blanket, which is very easy to do. And if you want a bigger one, you just go with more chain stitches here at the end, at the base. And yeah, with all these things being said, thank you for watching everybody, and I will see you on my next one.